Cloud computing is just now really ramping up for real enterprise users. There are a number of major objections that folks have. The first is governance. They need some level of control. IT shops and compliance departments or audit departments need some amount of control over what's going on the cloud. Just by virtue of the fact that you need to go through IT and you need to submit the appropriate forms and go through the proper process ensures a certain level of compliance with applications built in-house. With the cloud, developers are able to go out there and do things really easily and really quickly. And the downside is that because they're able to do things really easily and really quickly and they don't go through IT, those safeguards aren't in place. TIBCO Silver helps to put some of those safeguards back into place without slowing down your developers. And the way it does this is by automatically inserting governance checkpoints that will allow enterprise IT to set rules regarding what developers can do. But as long as those rules aren't being broken, they don't slow down the developers. If you're not breaking the rules, you can do things really, really quickly. If you are breaking the rules, well, we need to slow you down, because otherwise you're going to get the entire company into trouble. TIBCO Silver is different largely due to our approach. We didn't design TIBCO Silver so that you can go out there and build the next Twitter or the next Flickr. Sure, you could do that and it would help you, but what we really wanted to do was help IT departments in Fortune 500 companies deliver business value, business applications, business services to their customers. And in order to help them do that, we built TIBCO Silver to solve some of the major challenges Fortune 500 IT departments are facing today on the cloud. Some of those include governance, securing services, making sure that those services are able to be built by the developers they already have, so leveraging the existing skill sets, and making sure that the services you build on top of TIBCO Silver, the services you built on top of the cloud, are insulated from the underlying cloud provider that you're working with today. And that doesn't just mean building them so that they only work with TIBCO Silver. That means building them in a way that will allow them to work both on the cloud and within your existing IT environment. On a private cloud, on a public cloud, not on a cloud. We want to make sure that when you build something, you're building it in a way that's portable. So TIBCO Silver has governance built in. Every service you build, every application you build automatically has checkpoints for governance and for rules. It's got security built in, so you've got authentication, authorization, access control, and encryption built into the platform, so your developers don't need to write that code themselves. TIBCO Silver also has connectivity and integration built in, so you can easily integrate the cloud-based stuff you build with Silver with your existing infrastructure and also with other stuff that's built out in the cloud. TIBCO Silver also allows you to build your stuff in Java using the Spring framework, in Ruby using the Rails framework, or in just plain old Java in a way that insulates what you're building from this cloud-based infrastructure and from cloud-based providers, so that you're able to easily deploy both to TIBCO Silver, to Amazon EC2, or even within your existing environments.